Hello guys, I am Legally Bronze, and this is episode 7 of my Test Pack Please Ignore series, and in today's episode, I plan to make the digital miner, and we're also going to set up a small power bank for storing some buffer power for it, because it consumes a lot of power, and if there's time, I'll think of something else to do, but mainly just those two things. In between episodes, I had to set up some additional machines to be able to build all the pieces to assemble it in these tables here. So I built an osmium compressor for making, I think it's called obsidian ingots. Set up a little auto crafting with this redstone furnace. Not auto crafting, just the basic processing. And I've got some stuff laid out here that we'll be crafting in a minute. And man, I had to set up 4 alloy smelters because making these electric steel ingots takes a while, and it's not fun, and unfortunately you can't speed up these alloy smelters at all, and you can't do that recipe in any of the other machines but the alloy smelter. So yep, fastest way is just to set up 4 of them, but let's make the capacitor bank first. Let's clear this recipe out of that table real quick. So we got the electric steel, like this. Actually, I can just... what's the recipe? I should have had that up. Here we go. Shift clicking. And the redstone and the machine casings. These double layer capacitors, which are made from these basic ones, that's a lot of resources there. It took almost all of my gold and copper and redstone just to make 9. It's very, very ridiculous. I'm going to set the capacitors up immediately, actually, because I want them filling up from the wind farm in order to have the buffer power ready for when we build the digital miner. Set it up over here in the reactor room, the big reactor room. There will be a different room for the fusion reactor in the future. I don't know where that'll be, but let's put this in this wall for now, because it fits nicely here. It's not going to be its permanent place, but I think it'll fit there. And do we have any spawnable space here? I think it's F7 to toggle that. Looks like no. But okay, so this holds 45 million units of power, and I want to, I think I'll bring the power in from the back actually. So let's break those. And I think the Tesseract will just automatically output to the inventory next to it. I'm not 100% sure. Receive only energy. Okay, so it looks like it's not auto-outputting unless I've made a mistake here. Okay, let's try that. Uh-oh. Did I do this right? Yeah, receive energy. Items, none. Public access like the other one. That's not good. That is not good at all. Wait. Yeah, okay, that's on input right there. Oh, that changed to input as well. So maybe that should have worked. Okay, I must have set up the wind farm improperly. Great. Oh, where's my glider? Well, I don't really know what the problem is unless the wind farm is unloaded. I could have swore the wind farm was properly set up. There's no way it could be unloaded. It was only like a couple chunks away. My character should load this in. No problem. Get out of here. Didn't even drop XP. Oh. Interesting. Is that outputting power now? It's not even producing power because it's maxed out on storage. Yeah, okay, this should be good. Did I not select that? I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch the old video. I thought I had that selected. Are these guys gonna fall down? I don't want any mobs in my base. Okay. Seems like they're not stupid enough to try to kill themselves. Really? Why is this not filling up? Do I need redstone conduit? Receive. I don't think I have any redstone conduit here at the base at all. I think I left it all at the old base because I'd abandoned using it because the universal cable carries higher energy loads, or has higher throughput, let's say it like that, for energy. At least the top tiers of universal cable does. Yeah, I don't have any energy conduit here. I'm gonna have to go get that, so that's annoying. I'm gonna pause the video and come back with some energy conduit and see if that helps. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back with the energy conduit. Here's praying this works. So let's get rid of this. Hardened energy conduit. It's gonna transfer 400. Oh, really? The universal cable does not work with the Tesseract. Really? But it works with the energy cell. But it doesn't work with the Tesseract. Okay. Well, that is something. I think the wind farm was generating more than 400 RF a tick, though. How much are we transferring? Does it even say? Well, no. This is transferring 400. I'll just put a second one there, and I think we'll be good. Yeah, it's probably way... Actually, no, it's not way faster than the lava generator, the magma dynamos that we have, because... maybe it is. It's a little faster than the lava power, but takes up way more space. Anyway, while that's filling up, we will make the digital miner here. So I already made the control circuits, and let's get the recipe out here. So the digital miner is in this configuration, which is a lot of stuff. But right now we're making the imbued control circuit, which is just a bunch of ore clumps around this control circuit, which I think you guys saw was just redstone and enriched alloy, which is redstone and iron. Are you following me? In the bottom here we need 2 steel casings, which is just steel and osmium, so we got those. And then these 2 control circuits with iron and pistons makes the logistical sorters, which don't stack. And then finally, we need an entire stack of electrolytic cores, which are very annoying because we need 16 atomic cores. So the electrolytic core is 5 enriched alloy with 4 different 4 dusts. So let's just shift click that. We can start laying out the digital miner like so. What I don't want to make next. I think we'll make the robot next. For anyone that doesn't know, the robot name is, I think, a reference to the Futurama show. So, I don't know. If you've seen Futurama, it should be funny to you. If you can even remember that reference from the show, but if not, it's fine. Oh, that's not it. Okay, so that's built with obsidian ingots, a steel. I need some of these. What are these? I already forgot. Energy tablets. How was the energy tablet here? No, there. An electric chest. 2 chests, some steel, a glass. Here's my glass. Did I look over it? No, here's my glass. Okay, 2 chests. Steel. Was it like that? And then I needed a control circuit. Okay, electric chest. And then, oh, the energy tablets were like that. And then what was it? The atomic core. Yeah, okay, so let's make all the atomic cores right away. Diamonds, 16 diamonds. Then was it this again? Yeah. Boom, 16 atomic cores. Now we have the robot. 2 atomic cores right there, and then the atomic disassembler, which looks like that. And then finally the disassembly core. Let's how did I put oh, 1 S too many. Disassembly core, which is ridiculous. This is where most of the atomic cores comes in for the teleportation cores. So we need 4 of those. So let's get some more diamonds. Stack of lapis and the gold. I don't know how much we need, but I'll grab a stack. How many of those did we need? 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, I could just shift click it. That would also help. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh yeah, we're making the recipe. Duh. Okay, then the atomic core in the middle. And then finally, 2 energy upgrades and 2 item speed upgrades, which I need these 2 dusts for. So there's the energy upgrades and the speed upgrades. Sweet. Actually, I need to make some more of these for the digital miner. So let me throw another. I think digital miner can hold 9 upgrades. I'm gonna do 8. I remember in the newer version it held 8 upgrades. I don't know if that's still the same. I'll have to look it up. So I'll just do 8 of both. Actually, not 8 speed upgrades. It's not going to be able to... I don't have the power for 8 speed upgrades, but I think I could do like 4 speed upgrades. The energy upgrades for the digital miner will allow it to run more efficiently. The speed upgrades obviously help it run faster, so... Oh, got that wrong. Okay, there's the disassembly core. There, atomic disassembler in the crafting table. Digital miner, there we go. Sweet. Okay. Let's empty our inventory of some stuff. Let's get rid of this. Need some more advanced universal cable. Let's put that away. How do I make that? I think it was... No. Let me see if I can do this from memory. Is it this with redstone? Basic universal cable. Okay. More redstone? No. Steel? No. Oh. I believe it's enriched alloy. No? Okay. I don't remember. Aha! Oh god, that's a lot of enriched alloys. I'll just make a few. Actually... Great, I need more enriched alloy. Do I have more? God, these things take so long. Constantly running low on stuff here. I can't use the third one of these machines because I put too much diamond in it for making the obsidian ingots, because you need diamond dust for that. And I don't want to dump it because that's, I don't know, I can make a lot of stuff with that, so I'm just saving it in there. What the? Oh, I put it all in here by accident. Crap. Oh well, it's fine. Let's make a few energy upgrades real quick. I have enough advanced cable to run it in the digital miner in that room over there, so it's fine. And the energy upgrades were like this, right? Yes. At least we'll get like maximum energy savings. Ooh, I think I need a few stacks of cobblestone for what we're gonna do. Oh, come on. One day I will hopefully have teleporters in here, which I know I said I'd do for the previous series I made, but I mean it this time. Okay, so if I put this here, then I can... Oh, no. Output like that. Let's rotate that back into place. Okay. Now, unfortunately, with this version of Mechanism, the digital miner is a little buggy with the interfaces. So if you click on certain things in the wrong way, you can cause the game to crash. Or, what I did in a previous playthrough of this, on my own, I duped it by accident. But you have to shift click all the upgrades in here, and I think if you try to spam remove them, the game crashes. Or maybe if you try to shift click them in too fast, it crashes. I can't remember. I don't want to demonstrate that because I don't want to crash the game and corrupt my save or something. But you'll just have to trust me. Okay, so we do not have enough power in here at all. I thought this would generate faster. It's fine though, because we're going to be running it like on a low power mode. Okay, that's filling up nicely. Nice internal buffer. Okay, so how this thing works is, here's power usage. Apparently it uses power sitting here idle, not doing anything. That's news to me. But there's the power oh, yeah. It's using 33 RF a tick, really? Well, it's okay. I guess that's a. Oh wait, no, I'm an idiot. Okay, so that's how much it would use if I turned it on, but it's not actually actively using power. But that would be the power consumption. Redstone control over here. Obviously, these are energy upgrades and speed upgrades. This is the slot. Here's, I think if you want to put an energy cell or something in there for internal power. There's your replace block, which I want to be cobble. So let's put some cobble in here. Then start to start, there's reset, auto eject, because you can auto eject items out the back. So you can put a chest here and it'll auto eject out the back. You might also be able to do it out the top. I'm not sure, I've never used the top. So auto pull, I believe that's for pulling replace blocks from an adjacent inventory, and then the silk touch function, which consumes insane amounts of power. So if I toggle that on, and the power consumption didn't go up. Maybe it would go up, or show that it goes up if I started it, but let's turn that off. And to get it to select what block you want, you can just start it, and I think it'll automatically try to eat up everything. No, it won't eat up anything, because I don't have anything selected. Then you hit reset to get the configure option back. So you go in here into configuration options, and then you can set your maximum radius, which is 32 blocks is the max. Minimum and minimum and maximum elevation for gathering blocks. So I guess if you were in the mountains, you would definitely want to change that. If there was some kind of block you wanted that spawned high up, maybe like apatite, that spawns high up, I think, in the mountains. But anyway, I think we can leave minimum at, is it 0? I don't know, it's been a while. I think I want to change max to 70. Actually, I might want to, we're at 68. Okay, I think that covers us for what I want to do. I think minimum 0 is fine. I could be wrong, I might have to change that. And then you have 3 different ways you can select ores to be gathered. I'm going to go by the ore dictionary way, because it's how you're probably going to end up having to do it if you forget to go bring an ore with you, because you can bring an ore block with you and set it, I think, is it in the item stack filter? Might be the material filter, I don't remember, but you can place the ore in this slot, hit save, and that's what it'll mine for. But I'm going the ore dictionary route, and I believe you can just type in ore and then say iron, and you have to capitalize the word iron or it won't work. See, there it worked, I think, right? Is that the right color? Hold on, let me... Yeah, okay, there we go. Now it's pulling iron really, really slowly because I don't have any speed upgrades. But this will just run forever at 33 RF a tick, but it says it needs 70. But I'm putting in, 800 or whatever, so it doesn't matter. But that's going insanely slow. But we didn't do this to get iron, so we did this for ore yellowite. So we did it for yellowite, and then you want to get rid of iron, or it'll take forever to get the yellowite. But anyway, so start, and there's 178 yellowite within a 32 block radius of this machine down to bedrock. So that's what we did this for. That and anything else. I mean, I can target any ore with this. Let's say we want some diamonds. Ore diamond, and there's 2 different kinds of ore diamond. That's the regular diamond, and then the black diamond, for anyone that doesn't know, is added by Railcraft in these underwater cave things where you can get a certain kind of black rock. I forgot what it's called. But you want to silk touch that. So, oh, that's silk off. Silk on. Silk on? Why is it not turning on? Can I not silk touch the diamond? Is it because I have the yellowite? Oh, I'm an idiot. I was hitting reset that whole time, wasn't I? Ignore that, please. So there we go. Now I can get all the diamond I want, and as you can see, it replaces it with cobble each time. But I don't care about the diamond. Let's go back to yellow right. Boom, there we go. So, let me check how much time I have in this episode, because we've done basically everything I wanted to do. 25 minutes is how long this episode is. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it an episode. I've been wanting to do shorter episodes forever. Oh, God. I've been wanting to do shorter episodes for a long time, so this is just working out. So we got everything we wanted to do accomplished today, guys. Digital miner and the power capacitor bank there. And we'll pull in tons of yellowite between episodes, and then next episode I plan to build the big reactor here so we can get, like gigantic amounts of power. I'll be able to put in I'll be able to max speed upgrades on here. And oh, looks like the max energy upgrades is 9. Oh no, I put in 8 and then it says it's at 9. The default is 1 for okay. I don't really understand that, but anyway, so I'll be able to run this super fast with the power from the big reactor. And I'll be able to silk touch stuff because silk touching does use additional power. If I remember correctly. Be able to silk touch all the things, diamonds, redstone, lapis, even coal, other blocks that I may need to silk touch. But I'm gonna need to pull up like a bunch of iron and I think coal as well, because building a big reactor here takes a lot of different resources, and I don't think I have enough. So I'll do all the calculations for that in between episodes and gather the materials. Then we'll construct it in the next episode, guys. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.